I saw a post on Solana's Twitter about a token giveaway. Here is their verified account with the blue checkmark. Let's scroll a bit. I also found this same info on BitGet's official account about the exact same token giveaway. It would be really dumb to miss this opportunity. You can see this in their official account, millions of followers, and these are their posts, as you can see. Quick tip: for drops like this, always use an active wallet, one with transactions and some balance. Those get prioritized. Wait, what? I just landed here and this looks official. The Solana and BitGet airdrop, right at the top. It says it's backed by one of the biggest crypto exchanges, and get this, last on your side. They're giving everyone a fair shot. But first, here is my MetaMask wallet. I've got a little Solana in here, selecting my wallet, confirming the transaction, and gone. Now the moment of truth. Refresh MetaMask. Oh my god, I just got over $4,000 out of nowhere. That's like 14 SOL, worth $2,500 plus for free. No idea how long this will last, but if you're watching this, hurry up.